254 million views, 144 million views, and almost every other polling, comfortable at millions of views. This channel called Rico Animation, he's gained almost 13 million subscribers, purely by posting this one style of Stickman content. And because this is monetized, so according to Social Blade, this has made around $20,000 to $30,000 every single month. And this type of videos you can easily create your own mobile phone with a few simple steps. All the process I will create are completely free, just for you. Now let's start. First of all, go to Google or Pinterest and search Stickman animation figure. Now download the images you like to use as a reference image in the process. For this tutorial, I will choose this one. Now open chatgpt and type in this prompt. After typing the prompt, press enter. Now chatgpt will give you 15 video ideas. Pick one of these as you like. For this tutorial, I'm going with number 5. 7 money mistakes you're making without realizing it. Now open this docs file link in the description. As you can see the master prompt in this docs file. Just copy the entire master prompt. Back to chatgpt and paste the prompt. Now add your idea in this prompt. Also add a video duration. After adding, press enter. Now chatgpt will give you the image generation prompts and a video generation prompts that helps you to create images and animated videos. So just copy the first image generation prompt and head over to Flow AI. Now add a Stickman reference image. After add image, copy these settings. Now long press on image and select add a prompt and add the first image generation prompt and press enter. Wait a few seconds and Flow AI create your first image. See this? It's working. Just download it. Now back to chatgpt. Copy the second image generation prompt. Head over to Flow AI. Long press the reference image. Click add a prompt. Paste the second image prompt. Wait a few seconds and it will generate your second image. So repeat the same process to generate your all the image. As you can see, I will generate all the images. Now this time, to animate these images. Back to chatgpt and copy the first video generation prompt. Open Flow AI and long press your first image. Now click the animate and add the video generation prompt. Press enter. Wait a few seconds and it will generate your first video. As you can see, it's amazing. Just download it. Now again, back to chatgpt. Copy the second video prompt. Open Flow AI. Long press the second image. Go to animate and paste the prompt. And it will generate your second animated video. So repeat the same process to convert all the images into animated videos. As you can see, I created. Now head over to chatgpt in the same chat and this prompt and press enter. Now it will give you the complete script written out in paragraph form. Copy the full script and open your text-to-speech tool. I'm using Google AI Studio. Select the voice that matches to your character personality. Paste in your script and hit generate. Your full voiceover is ready in a few seconds. Just download it. Now the last step is editing. Open any editing software and import all the video clips and voiceover in the timeline. Now sets all the video clips according to voiceover. As you can see, after finishing, just export it. Now see the final result.
What if I told you you're losing money every day without even realizing it? Here are 7 money mistakes you might be making right now. Buying things just because they're on sale. Paying for subscriptions you never use. Spending before saving. Ignoring small daily expenses because they seem too small to matter. Using credit cards without a plan to pay them off. Buying expensive things just to impress other people. And finally, not investing in yourself by learning new skills that can increase your income. Avoid these 7 mistakes and your future self will thank you. Small changes today can lead to big financial results tomorrow. Which mistake have you made before? Let me know in the comments.
So here's the complete process to make Stickman animated videos with the help of AI. And yeah, subscribe.